Welcome. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone who uses Google Chrome on their PC: how to block insecure content permissions, especially with the new updates. Ensuring your browsing experience is secure is essential, and following these steps can help you manage your site permissions effectively. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. Once it's open, navigate to the site you want to adjust. This could be any website where you've encountered insecure content warnings. Next, look to the left of the web address bar. Here, you will see an icon that represents the site's security status. Click on View Site Information. This action will provide you with details about the site's security and permissions. After that, you'll want to select Site Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. This section allows you to customize various permissions for that specific site. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Insecure Content. This setting controls whether Chrome allows or blocks content that is served over an unsecured connection. To enhance your security, click on the drop-down next to Insecure Content and choose Block. By doing this, you're telling Chrome not to load any insecure elements from that site. Remember, blocking insecure content helps protect your data from potential threats such as data interception or malicious attacks. While some websites may not function perfectly with these settings, prioritizing your security is crucial. Once you've made these changes, they will be saved automatically. You can revisit this process anytime you want to adjust permissions for different sites. If you ever need to revert back to allowing insecure content for a particular site, just follow these steps again and change the setting back to allow. By taking these simple steps, you can significantly improve your browsing safety on Google Chrome. Stay safe online and enjoy a more secure web experience.